Guys, have a look at this. This video has earned $26 and it's only 47 seconds. This was uploaded, say, about 3 days ago. Look at this video. It has earned $61, 30 seconds. And these are funny videos. Let's go deeper. Look at this 1 minute video. Adorable baby helps clean around the house. $2 uploaded, say, about a week, 2 weeks ago or more. Look at this video. 11 seconds. 19 seconds. $9. 2 minute $28 video. Look at this. $30. $19. Woo! So people are making cash from uploading videos on this platform. In this video, I'm going to show you a method of earning over $50 per day by simply uploading videos on this platform. Hi, my name is Marlon McLeod, and you are on this amazing platform of Freedom Guider, the place that we focus on having the correct mindset, various marketing techniques, motivational speeches, and ways of making cash online. So if you're new to the platform, please subscribe and hit all notification icons so you do not miss the content that I upload. So let's go over to my computer where I walk you through the steps of making $50 or more, even $200 for simply uploading videos that you did not create. So let me take you over to my computer and through the details. Let's go. Now that we're on my computer, I would love to request that you come over and have a look at the 445 videos which I have created. These videos ranges from making cash online through various social media platforms. So come over, watch the videos slowly. If you have any questions for me, I'm here to assist you. Furthermore, if you want to know another method of making full-time income, go to the first link in the description. And guys, have a look at my ebook, which is below. Additionally, do not forget the weekly giveaway that I still have running. I plan to give about say $50 per week now or more based on the comments that you do. So guys, I'm going to take you over to a platform that allows you to get cash from uploading videos. Now this platform is called Rumble. Now this platform was introduced to me by my mentor, guys, and he is making cash online. So because I'm a nice guy and I want to just give the public the info, I came over to this platform and said, you know what, let me create a video and give it to you. So this platform is an interactive platform where you upload videos and you get paid according to the views. Now guys, let's just browse through some of these videos, and I can just tell you, I'm just surprised at the amount of views these are getting and the cash that these simple second videos are gaining. So guys, this video is titled Young Bull Moose Casually Chills Out in the Driveway. Not bad. So guys, if you're new to this platform, you have to come over and you have to sign up. You can use your Gmail account or your Hotmail account or whichever email account that you have. Now, when you come over, guys, it's important that you get familiar with the platform. You scroll down to see what people are posting, get an idea, then you start gathering these videos like them. And I'm going to show you everything in this video. All I request that you do so far is smash a like and comment below what you have learned in this video. So let's scroll down. So these people are making like $65, $9, $10, $9, $5, not bad, not bad. $27, $26 for simple video clips. Look at this. Now this was funny. I loved it, you know, guys. Look at this. The baby. Look at the guy. This was fun. Now this is what people are uploading. And it's so funny, I know people laugh at these stuff. He has made, say, $19 from just uploading this video. It says toddlers hilariously shows off impressive wrestling moves on dad. That is funny. Look at this. And he went, guys, you can get the same information from a platform that I'm going to show to you in a few seconds. Whoa! Okay. Now, these are the clips that people are uploading and making cash from it, guys, and it gets even deeper. So what you're going to do, you're going to come over, you're going to sign up, guys, and after you've signed up, your platform would look like this. Now, in order to get these videos, guys, and start making cash like this, people, they're making like $30. Let me see, $65 if you go over, $19, and they're just full. And people are commenting below. People love these stuff. Now, in order to get to videos like this, what you need to do, guys, you're gonna go over to YouTube, guys, and you're gonna type in funny animal videos. After you've typed that into the search bar, you're gonna go to filter. Go to filter, guys, and you're gonna go to Creative Commons. This is extremely important, and I've done it here, guys. Now, what you're gonna get a result of various clips and videos that you can reuse. And the good thing about some of these videos is that they're long enough, so it keeps the eyes of the viewers on the platform for a longer time. So you're gonna come over, guys, click, and you're gonna go through all of these. Now, what you need to do, guys, you are going to download. Keep it in mind, when you click Creative Commons, this allows you to reuse the videos. So you're gonna come, guys, and you're gonna open it. Let me just open it for you and show you exactly what to do. Open it on another tab. Let me just take off this. And you should look at it, guys. Watch the video to see what people are laughing about. Oh, this is funny. Look at the dog. This is the chicken is with all this stuff, man. Come on. Dog. Oh, wow. So what you're gonna do, guys, you're gonna come here, guys, and you're gonna go to the top. You're gonna highlight the link in the search bar. Then you're gonna go over to the famous Google, guys, and you're gonna type in YouTube downloader. After you've typed that in, you're gonna get many results. Go to the third, which is nsaveform.net. Click this. I love to use it, and I've opened it here. So you're gonna put that link there, guys, and then you're gonna download that video onto your computer. After you have downloaded that video to your computer, let me just close this because this is an ad that we do not want to see. Now, after you have downloaded that to your computer, guys, it's very important to keep in mind a few things. This video might have a watermark on it, where I would recommend that you use the video as is. You have to edit it as best as possible. So I recommend that you go and you download a software by the name of, let me just open it for you. It's called VSDC, and this is free, guys. Just go to Google and type it in, and you'll get this. Now, in this software, you can edit the video accordingly. Now, say that this is a video I've just downloaded. Let me just show you what's going on so you understand. Say, let me just play this video. Say this is a video which
I'm going to show you a method of using.
Now, say that I've downloaded the video and then opened it up. Let me just show you something. Let me go back. Now, this is a video I've just downloaded, and I'm going to take you fully through everything, guys. This is a video. Let's just open Right, let's open. Now here it says funny dog. Now, guys, sometimes this might have a watermark at the side, which is not that good, because you need to have that free of anything that goes back to the platform that you get it from, because you know it can be very negatively impacted on your platform when you upload it to Rumbler. So you're gonna come download that, and you're gonna upload that video to this platform. Say that we have, let me just go for it for you. Give that a few seconds. Download. Say this is it. Now, say that I've uploaded a video. Here, guys. Now, what will happen, guys? It's gonna be on this. You have to widen it out, guys, a bit, and so. Or you can just remove the other pictures. Now, guys, if you have a watermark on the picture here, what you need to do, you need to enlarge it, guys. Enlarge it so that it's not detected by the dimensions within the video. Because let me just go to the side. You see this, guys? You see this area here? This is what YouTube focuses on. Whenever you process a video, it will completely be filled within here, guys. Anything that's outside here will not be considered in the video. So if you were to enlarge in this, guys, and the watermark is like here, it will appear outside of that dimension, which will make you cool to use that video on another platform. So after you're done, you're going to save this and convert it to an MP3 file. Then, guys, what you're going to do, you're going to go over and do the same for other videos. You need to upload, say, about 5 videos per day. Yes, and you can do this with various accounts. Okay guys, keep in mind you have to have different forms of accepting your cash through PayPal or Patreon. So you're going to come back over guys and say that we want to upload this video. Let me just show you how it looks when I'm uploading. So this is a platform. So you're going to go into your dashboard and you're going to go to the upper right next to your username. You're going to click here guys, upload. Now when you come to here guys, you're going to upload the video that we have just downloaded and edited. Now I need to edit that some more, so I can't really upload it here to show the exact thing, but keep all the techniques and elements I've just highlighted to you in mind when you're creating that video. You're going to come here guys and you need to give this a demanding title. When I say demanding, something that really intrigues the reader to watch the video. So you're going to say the dog who cries, for example. Then you're going to give a description. The description can be taken from that same video that we have just taken from YouTube. So if there's none, you just be creative and make a description. Then you're going to go back over guys, and let me just go back to it. Then you're going to upload the video, and then what you need to do, you need to create thumbnails. Now thumbnails you can do from a platform by the name of canva.com. Just go over to Canva, because this platform is similar to YouTube guys. You're going to come over to canva.com and you're going to type in, say, create a design. Click that. Then you're going to go to custom size 1280 times 720. Click that, because that's the normal dimensions for your thumbnail, and you're going to create a thumbnail. Now in terms of creating a proper thumbnail guys, you can go back to the video, you can pause it and take a snip. Let me just show it to you what I mean by snip. This is a snip. So I'm going to come here guys and I'm going to snip a section of the video and I'm going to save this. This will be a part of my thumbnail. You're going to come back over to Canva and you're going to upload that. After you're done guys, you're going to come back over to this platform guys, and you are going to put the thumbnail in here and complete the description as you wish. Now guys, in terms of getting your cash, you have to have a PayPal account or a Pioneer account. Pioneer account is very easy to create. You're going to go over to Pioneer, yes, and you're going to come over here guys, and you're going to create an account with Pioneer and link it to this platform so that you can get your cash whenever it's ready. Now this platform allows you to get a payout over $50, which is great. So each time you get a payout over $50, you can get it through your PayPal account or through your Pioneer account. And guys, keep in mind you have a limit of uploading about say 5 videos per day. Now try to be creative guys. Try to use your mother or your grandmother's, your aunt's accounts. Get them registered so that you make a lot of cash, and through uploading say more than 5 videos per day from different accounts. So be creative guys in order to make the cash come in to your bank account. So I hope you've gotten a lot of value from this brief video. Do not forget to subscribe and hit on notification icon so you do not miss the content which I upload. Also guys, please like the video. If you did not like the video, tell me why you did not like it so I can consider these changes in the upcoming videos which I have in the future. Thank you for your support, and please share this video with all your friends and family across the globe so that more and more people quit their 9-to-5 slavery or grind and stay at home and make cash from the pleasure of their couch. Thank you for your undivided attention, and please do not go anywhere. I'll have 3 or 4 more videos that will be popping up between your beautiful eyes that will change your mindset of making cash, entrepreneur, and much more. So please watch these videos and chat with you later. Bye.